Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to search eBay for the hottest selling items and find their current market prices, which is perfect if you're planning to start reselling or just want to know what's trending right now. Let's begin. Now, first of all, go to your favorite browser and search for ebay.com. Now, from here, if you haven't already, you might want to log in using your credentials. But if this is your first time here in eBay, I want you to click the register button. From here, you can choose to create a personal account or a business. Whether it's personal, all I have to do is simple. You can create an account here using your Google or Apple or using your Facebook. Or if you want, you can use your personal or business email and just follow the on screen instructions. Once you have successfully created your account here in eBay, you can go to the search bar and type in a keyword. For example, it could be wireless earbuds, vintage, sneakers, or whatever category you are interested in. For example, I am interested in maybe Pokemon. Click on it. You can keep it general or get specific depending on what niche you want to explore. But the most important step is to click the advanced filter here. All right? Because here you will be able to have the option to click the sold items and completed items. This filter alone lets you check what items that actually sold, not just what sellers are asking for. This gives you the real market value of products and helps you spot which items are actually in demand. From here, and then after that, I want you to click the search option. What will happen is it would give you all these hot selling items that is currently happening in the niche that you search, which is going to be the Pokemon cards. And I want you to take note of the item, for example, Pokemon card, Electabuzz, and the pricing accordingly. So it sold like just a few days ago. It gives like 100% positive. Now, for you to be able to maximize and get all the hot selling items, I want you to take all these information, for example, this one right here, and maybe create a Google spreadsheet to take note of the items and inventory. So I have created this Google spreadsheet. I'm going to take note of that. All right. And click it's going to be a smart way for you to track all the inventory items of all that. And then after carefully inspecting all the items here, there are a lot of results. It's up to you. Okay. I'm not going to stop you from being creative and taking notes of all these items. But the next important thing that you need to do after that is go to the googletrends.com. From here, just type in the niche that you wanted. For example, we're going to be sticking to the Pokemon cards. Okay, right here. Then it would give you all these information that you can add to your already Google spreadsheet so that you can maximize searching eBay for the hottest selling items and prices. And basically, that's how you can easily search eBay for the hottest selling items and real selling prices. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.